Hi guys, welcome back again. Now in this video, I'm introducing to you a real-time video conferencing platform that just like Google Meet, just like Zoom, that you can host meeting, invite people, connect and engage, share screen, file sharing, group chats, instant meeting, recording. And the beauty is that it's a SaaS whereby people can pay you to use the service. Now other functions like it has as well features a AI chatbot can ask questions and get instant answer, collaborative whiteboard, sketch ideas like with brainstorming, together in real time. And also have option for group chatting. You can send instant messages, for quick, thought of links and meeting without anything. Also, it can record the live session meeting where you're having just like Google Meet and Zoom. Of course, can do file sharing, screen sharing, device selection, ultra HD option, it supports 4K, like I said. So now option also with the recent update now, it has users can now send questions to ChatGPT. Like I said, it has AI chat, but can integrate DeepSeek, Gemini AI in this software without any stress. So if you want this done for your business, just contact me on the screen. I'll get it ready for you for 8 hours. I can start using it. Now this is SaaS I'm talking about. You can collect subscription, pay people can pay you to use this software. And the advantage is that it has more features than Google Meet, and what Google Meet does not have and what Zoom does not have. Google Meet, it has option for Gemini AI integration, but this, it can integrate Gemini inside it, can integrate ChatGPT inside it to brainstorm ideas, can also sketch ideas. Google Meet does not have that. So now, if you want this for your business, let me know. Total me on the screen. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section, and this software will be launched and set up for you with an affordable fee, and it's ready for you in 48 hours. Now, if you need more of this, like this video, share this video, thumbs up so I can do more of the video. You can see just like enter your meeting link and you join the meeting link. You can host a meeting. So easy, super easy. So I see my next video. Remain blessed like come your way. Bye bye. Bye.